Can I tell you a story of how my mother cured her kidney failure? It's a story about resilience and the power of love. It's about refusing to give up when faced with a daunting diagnosis. My mother, a pillar of strength and love in our family, was diagnosed with kidney failure. The news hit us like a ton of bricks. Fear, confusion, and a sense of helplessness washed over us. But amidst the fear, a spark of determination ignited within me. I would explore every avenue, consult with the best doctors, and leave no stone unturned in my quest to find a cure for my mother. I knew this journey wouldn't be easy, but I was prepared to fight for my mother's health with every fiber of my being. This wasn't just about medical treatments, it was about love, hope, and the unbreakable bond between a mother and her child. This is her story, a story of healing, resilience, and the extraordinary lengths we go to for the people we love most. The kidneys, two bean-shaped organs located in the back of your abdomen, are the body's natural filters. They work tirelessly, removing waste products and excess fluid from the blood to create urine. These incredible organs also play a vital role in regulating blood pressure, producing red blood cells, and maintaining healthy bones. Imagine a water filtration system working round the clock to keep a swimming pool clean. That's what your kidneys do for your body. Kidney failure happens when these filters are damaged and can no longer perform these essential functions effectively. This can lead to a buildup of toxins in the body, causing a range of symptoms like fatigue, swelling, nausea, and changes in urination. Understanding the crucial role our kidneys play is the first step towards appreciating the urgency of my mother's condition. While conventional medicine offered some solutions like dialysis and kidney transplant, I yearned for a more holistic approach. I delved into the world of alternative medicine, exploring treatments that addressed the root cause of my mother's condition rather than just managing the symptoms. Acupuncture, an ancient Chinese practice, piqued my interest. By stimulating specific points on the body with thin needles, acupuncture aims to restore balance and promote self-healing. We also explored herbal remedies, incorporating turmeric, ginger, and dandelion root into her diet for their potent anti-inflammatory and kidney-supporting properties. Every avenue, every possibility, was rigorously researched and discussed with medical professionals. My mother's well-being was paramount, and I was determined to leave no stone unturned in my quest for a cure. Food, as they say, is medicine. Understanding this, I overhauled my mother's diet, making it our weapon against kidney failure. We replaced processed foods, excess salt, and unhealthy fats with fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean protein. We learned that foods rich in antioxidants like blueberries, strawberries, and leafy greens could help protect the kidneys from further damage. We also discovered the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon and incorporated them into her weekly meals. This wasn't just about changing what she ate, it was about changing her relationship with food. It was about nourishing her body with foods that would support her healing journey. While diet played a crucial role, I knew that incorporating regular physical activity was equally important. We started slow, with gentle walks in the park, gradually increasing the intensity and duration as her strength improved. Exercise, even moderate activity, can help improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and boost overall kidney function. We explored yoga and Tai Chi, gentle practices that combine movement with mindfulness, promoting relaxation and reducing stress, a known contributor to kidney problems. This wasn't just about physical strength, it was about building mental resilience. It was about empowering my mother to take control of her health and embrace a more active lifestyle. Weeks turned into months, and slowly but surely, we witnessed a miracle unfolding before our eyes. My mother's energy levels soared, her skin regained its healthy glow, and the swelling in her legs subsided significantly. Her lab results showed remarkable improvement, and her doctor was astonished by her progress. The alternative treatments, coupled with the dietary and lifestyle changes, had worked wonders. Her kidneys were healing, and her body was regaining its strength. It was a testament to the power of perseverance, the strength of the human spirit, and the unwavering love between a mother and her daughter. This journey taught me that while a diagnosis can be terrifying, it doesn't have to be a dead end. There is always hope, and there is always a path to healing. My mother's story is a beacon of hope for others battling kidney disease. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the most powerful medicine comes from within, from our own resilience, our willingness to fight, and our unwavering belief in the possibility of a brighter tomorrow. Did you find this story helpful? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's continue this conversation and support each other on our journeys toward health and well-being.